welcome to the channel. Let's talk about building a cabin on a budget. Here are some tips and tricks you can follow. The goal of this video is to empower you to build your cozy retreat for less than you think. Tip number 1. Keep the design simple. Choose a rectangular shell. Reason why? They're cost effective. Each corner adds expense. And when you have a simple design, you can streamline the construction, as well as maximizing your space. Tip number 2, start with a professional shell. Leave it to the professionals to build a shell for you, as these buildings are watertight with proper foundations, framing, and roofing, giving you peace of mind on the critical structural elements while you save on finishing costs. Tip number 3, use reclaimed materials. These will add so much character to your cabin already. You can personalize with reclaimed wood floors, fixtures, doors, and other interior finishes that you can source yourself. Tip number 4, consider going off-grid. Our cabins are designed to easily integrate solar panels and rainwater collection, eliminating expensive utility connections. Tip number 5, DIY the interior. You can confidently tackle interior finishing at your own pace, saving up to 40% of labor costs while creating a space that is truly yours. As a bonus tip, ask your cabin builder if they have electrical and framing packages that they can add to your shell. That way you just have to worry about the finishing touches. Quality where it counts, savings where it makes sense. That's the motto to live by when trying to build a cabin on a budget. So let us know if you have any questions. Drop them down below in the comments. Visit our website to check out some of the cabin shells we built for customers. We'll see you in the next video.